A week in my life, hashtag Insta360 Goat VS.
It's kinda hard when it's something that I want so bad. I'm second guessing, but I was sure of you secretly inside. I'm dying, emotionally violent.
Maybe they are importing from outside. So hey friends, this is the camera where I collect all my beautiful memories indeed. It is pocket size, the smallest one I ever seen. So light, so pretty, I need to take care of it all the time. It is Insta360 Goat VS, which is 4K resolution. The surprise is never ends because this part comes out and it is magnetic. I have the creator kit, so basically lifesaver for me to recording all my POV shots. I love it so much. There is also an application where you can find on iOS and Android as well. You can immediately export the images or the videos into your device. Please do not forget to visit insta360.com to explore more. Also, you can use my code in the description box below to get discounted prices. We can continue to explore together with my camera.
I don't know if they stay below or rise up to the sky, but I'm letting go, I'm letting go.
I'm going to cheat my meal with my sister. Nereye bakmalıyım? Buraya. Bak, burası neresi? Sivas'a.
Letting go. It's a silent way.
We are waiting in the station because my mama will leave the work at 4 p.m. and it's extremely windy. I don't know if you can hear me. And yeah, we are extremely hungry. We are starving. Hi. Hi. What's up, baby? You look pretty. Thank you. My sister is so pretty. And we are look-alike. We are look-alike? Yes. I think so. You are my twins. But wait. Okay. I think it. But you are you are prettier than me. I am prettier than you. No, yes, I don't accept that. Yes. You are more pretty. You are more
I don't
beautiful.
accept any talks.
You are learning very well.
Thank you.
You are doing great because of you.
I'm letting go, I'm letting go. It's a history that never really grows. I'm letting go, I'm letting go.
Saç ayırıyorum.
It's a silent
Böyle bak.
never really blows.
Teşekkür ederiz. Mami. O zaman mango dragon istiyorum. Bakmadım. Ay. Teşekkürler, elinize sağlık. Aynen taktım, böyle çıkartıyorsun. Sonra bunu böyle kameraya takabiliyorsun.
Bayağı iyi ya.
Biliyorsun, ben şu anda karşıyı çekiyorum.
Çok iyi ya. Bu yok muydu ki Japonya'da?
Rare Beauty, Avrupa'da daha uygun.
Aa, öyle hiç Fransa hiç canım istemiyor.